Wobblies! Welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at some of the highlights from our late summer trip to the San Juan National Forest in southwestern Colorado, as well as packing up camp. This episode is made possible in part by generous supporters on Patreon. We enter from Pagosa Springs, which is south of San Juan National Forest. The views are breathtaking. Just off the road on the way in is this incredible cliff. This cliff was so beautiful. The point of the cliff is just off Piedra Road, or 631, near where the Piedra River and O'Neill Creek meet. Piedra Falls is on the East Fork Piedra River. Piedra Falls Trail is a 1 mile long round trip. There is a 108 feet elevation gain. It's an easy hike along a well-defined trail. The elevation at the trailhead is 8,419 feet. Piedra Falls tumbles down volcanic cliffs in 2 large steps. We camped in Cimarrona Campground at an elevation of 8,400 feet. Nearby Cimarrona Peak stands at 12,037 feet. know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.